Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today I'm going to make a very healthy seed sweet recipe. Hope you will like it and enjoy it. The importance of few seeds which are very healthy. So number one is chia seeds. Alexa, please tell benefits of chia seeds.
Some health benefits commonly associated with chia seeds may include providing antioxidants, providing fiber, providing quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting weight loss, preventing heart disease, supporting bone strength, reducing blood sugar levels, preventing cardiovascular disease, reducing inflammation.
Alexa, tell benefits of pumpkin seeds.
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, full of valuable nutrients, high in antioxidants, linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, improved prostate and bladder health, very high in magnesium, may improve heart health, can lower blood sugar levels, high in fiber.
Alexa, tell benefits of goji berries.
Here's something I found on reference.com. Goji berries, which are used to make goji juice, are nutrient rich and have been known to help with overall mental health as well as other health factors, including stress relief and athletic performance, according to WebMD. They are also known to help people to sleep better. It is important to note that all berries contain similar nutrients, and it is not fully known if goji berries are better for a consumer than other berries.
Ingredients. So here we are using chia seeds, mixed seeds which include watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds. This is the mixture of seeds which includes, these are basically milled lean seeds with goji berries, sunflower and pumpkin seeds, jaggery, cinnamon, then we have cranberries, then we have cashews, almonds, walnuts and oats. Now we are going to dry roast the oats first. So for that I am going to enter the oats in the pan, in the non-stick pan, and we're just going to dry roast it for a minute. You can also, depending upon the quantity, if the quantity is less, you can dry roast it for 30 to 45 seconds also. Raisins. अब हम ड्राई रोस्ट करेंगे सभी इंग्रेडिएंट्स, सभी सीड्स को. तो पहले मैं पम्पकिन और सेसमे सीड्स वाला मिक्सचर डाल रहा हूँ, फिर मैं फ्लैक्स सीड्स डाल रहा हूँ, और अब गोजी बेरीज, सनफ्लावर, पम्पकिन सीड मिक्स डाल रहा हूँ. अब इसको हम ड्राई रोस्ट करेंगे. तो नाउ वी विल ड्राई रोस्ट ऑल दीज सीड मिक्स for a minute or till the aroma comes. To see the nice color, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. The color is very good and it is very healthy. So now I have added half teaspoon of clarified butter, and now I'm going to roast almonds and other dry fruits in it. So I'm also going to add some cashews or kaju and some walnuts or akhroot. So I'm just gonna roast it for a minute. See the clarified butter is very less compared to the quantity. Now we are going to make jaggery caramel, and for that I am adding the crushed jaggery to the pan, and now we are just going to heat it till it becomes caramel. Just note that please keep the pan on medium or slow flame. So after 2 to 2.5 minutes, you can see that this becomes liquefied, and now I'm going to add cinnamon to it, and also I'm going to add the secret ingredient, which is lemon zest. To it, and now I'm going to add all the roasted seeds. So first I'm going to add roasted oats to it, and now I'm going to add, so you can just stir a little bit to it, and now I'm going to add all the mixed seeds to it. And now I'm going to add all the nut mix. I have crushed almonds, walnuts and other nuts to it, and cashews, and final I'm going to add some cranberries and raisins to it. Now a secret tip, add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee to it and mix it continuously so to avoid lumps. Plating. So here I have used some these cashews for decoration purpose, fox nuts or makhanas again for decoration, and we have this mixture, the healthy sweet recipe, and we have plated in this plate. Food for thought. So this recipe is dedicated on occasion of World Vegan Day, which is on November 1. So happy World's Vegan Day, and this is a very healthy and nutritive recipe. Hope you will like it and enjoy it. So this is a quick recipe which you can eat in winters and which is very healthy, full of seeds, fibers, omega-3. So if you like this healthy seed sweet recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.